Hi viewers, this is Fitsadik. Today our workout is triceps. We will see lot of triceps variations today. Now, those who are not subscribed our channel, please subscribe and watch more fitness videos. We will see the today first workout is triceps rod. Hold your hands like this. Your finger like hold here like this. And slowly come down, and when coming up, a little bit pressure on your thigh. This ratio will be maintained. That if you are holding your fingers like this and little bit open and wide down, this will go for your chest. So viewers, this is very important. You are holding your hands like this and finger also like holding. When you come up, little bit pressure and slightly go down and come up. So this is the first workout you are doing triceps. Then second workout, W rod. So W rod workout available here. Second, this workout you have to do two methods. One method is sitting position, then another method is lying position. If you are choosing lying position, that time you have to touch your or near your forehead like this. So this ratio will be very important. If you are selecting this type of workouts, 3 sets, 10 repetitions or 12 repetitions must. After that, rope workout for your triceps. So do like this. Then second one is, if you are choosing like rope, one second you have to hold down. When you go down, pressure on your thigh is very important. Then third variation in rope, you have to follow this method. Don't take your shoulder, just bend your elbow, then go up down. Then another method is rod. If you are choosing this type of rod, you have to hold this position like this. And the weight should be your control. When you come down, give pressure on your thigh. It's very important. This is one method. The another rod, straight rod workout is reverse grip. If you are holding type of this reverse grip, see the result. What will happen when you go down is very important. 1 second to hold. Before that, you are choosing that rope workout. This method will be done. If you want, you can choose this workout rod also. Viewers, this is your choice. If you are selecting rope or rod, that is your wish. That both is giving only the same result. Then V rod. The V rod is available here. If you are choosing this type of V rod, this V rod will be available in your gym. Do close grip. Hold your hands in close grip and press down, little pressure on your thigh. This is very important. Then after this workout, you can follow single handle. This single handle will be, you can just choose less weight, more repetitions best, and good shape for your triceps. Choose a single plate. This is enough. Full pressure on your thigh. see the what will happen when you go down. At the same time, you have to select left side also. So this workout you can put more weight. It is very impossible to do that type of workout. So you have to choose only for less weight. This is very good for your result. Then another rope. This is called rope ball workout for your triceps. This method, this position is like this. Then choose this type of this side. So dear viewers, this workout only for rod, rope and single grip handle. Then you have to follow this method. Another variation of dumbbells. These dumbbells, 3 types of available workout here. See the first workout, what in dumbbells. If you are come up, this is called hammer. This effect will go for your biceps. So we are seeing triceps and doing workout triceps. So just enough. Press back well. So this is for your triceps. Then second workout in dumbbells. Your hand should be like this. Then left side. Then another workout in dumbbell, third variation. See like this. When you are choosing dumbbell, that time you put more weights. That is no issue that. So you have to choose the workout in dumbbells. Minimum 7.5, 10, 12, 15. That's your wish. But put more weight. That only result for your triceps. Then this type of equipments available in gym. This is called a double bar. If you are choosing the double bar, you have to go down only for a little bit. If you go down more, that effect will be give for your chest. Now our workout is triceps, so you go down only little bit. See, hold like this, little bit bend and come up, little bit bend and come up, little bit bend and come up. 10-10, 3 repetition or 5-5, 3 repetition. What's your comfortable position? You have to feel that. Then seated bench. If you are holding this hand like this widely, then go down full and full. That is for chest. See, if you are doing like this, this is for your lower chest. If you are choosing close hand grip like this and little bit down and come up, this is only for your triceps. See what will happen on your triceps. Dear viewers, we will see the all workout today for triceps. This is very helping for you. When you are where you are going to gym, what are the equipments available in gym in your home? So you just do this type of workout and feel the effect. Fit Sadik, our channel, subscribe and share your friends. This is called Fit Sadik.